Okay, let's start with the Heroic Game Launcher. It's available both as an app image and through FlatHub as a flat pack. So it's not that difficult. In my case, I use the app image. Let's launch. This is what you'll see when you launch it. You click Add Game. You give the name of the game. You put the game title. In my case, it's Serious Sam. It gets recognized. Leave everything as is. Click on Run Installer first. Select the installer. In my case, it's here on the desktop. And Wine will start. And that's pretty much it. You go through the installer normally. In my case, I won't install it on the secondary drive. Here it is. Click on Install. And that's it. Select the executable. Click Finish. You click Play Now and the game will launch. That's really easy. Okay, so bottles. Another pretty easy program to use. Slightly less straightforward as the Heroic Game Launcher, but I will show you, don't worry. Open your browser. Type in bottles Linux. It's usebottles.com. Download, and it's only at the time of filming this video, it's only available as a flat pack. It will redirect you to FlatHub and you install it normally. Once you do, you open up the program. It will download some stuff. To create a bottle, you simply click the plus button. You give it a name. In my case, it will be Singularity. Select Gaming and click on Create. The bottle was successfully created. Here it is. Now, you select your folder with the installer. You can copy or cut it, whichever one you prefer. Open up your home. Go make sure that under view, show hidden files is selected. Go to .var app com use bottles data bottles again. You see there's a new folder called Singularity, or whichever one your game is. Double click on it. Drive C, users. In my case it's Steam user, it's generic, desktop, and you paste in the folder containing the executable. Now you can close out of the home, click on run executable, and you do the same thing here. Bottles, data, bottles, Singularity, drive C, user, Steam user, desktop, and you click run. And here it is. Here's the installer. In my case, I will install it into the secondary hard drive that I have. Click install. And it will go through with the installation normally. Now I will cut this part and I will see you again at the end of the installer. Okay, so the installer is done. You can click on exit or you can close it, whichever one you prefer. Now you can open back the bottle. Click on add shortcut. Go to the location where the game was installed and add the executable. Then you can click on the little play button and the game should launch. And that's it pretty much. So this was Bottles. Okay, now we'll show you Lutris, which is at the moment my favorite method of installing games. Open up your browser. Go to lutris.net. Click on download. And here you will find various download for whatever system you have. I like to use the Flatpak version because it's more up to date, but it's also available as a system package or whatever. Now, once it's installed, open Lutris. To install a game, click the plus button. Install a window game from an executable. Type in a name. In my case, it's Return to Castle Wolfenstein. Click on Install. Continue if you're fine with the installation directory. If not, you can change it here. Continue. Select the setup file. In my case, it's on this folder on the desktop. There it is. Install. So here it is. Click on install again. It should be pretty quick, especially for older, smaller games. As you can see, it's almost done. There it is. It's done. Exit. Installation completed. You can click close or launch. But now I'm going to show you how to mod it. If it's possible. Click on close. As you can see, I downloaded this mod that will allow me to use modern high definition resolutions. Always make sure to check the README. We can copy all this stuff. Copy the files, paste them in, replace them. There you go. Go to configure. Make sure the executable is selected. We don't need all that stuff. I like to use Mongo HUD. I will show you how to use it in another video. And that's pretty much it. You can click play and the game will launch. There it is. You can now configure it and you're done.